let it all burn slow. Yo, the world stands still, I'm an adrenaline junkie. I'm just looking for a thrill, I guess I'm over the hill, then get to tumbling down. I got the keys to the kingdom, but still no crown. And when she's up, I'm down. I hit the ground running, it cuts deep, but at least I learned something. I know love is for the weak, resisting makes you strong, and hurt can only show that you weren't listening all along. So are you listening to the song? I'm trying to share a message that hurt can get the best of you, but only if you let it. I regret it, I regret it. I need a new beginning, but a chapter can't begin until the previous one is finished. So writer of the story, can you let me know the ending? I'm sick of all the hurting and the wishing and pretending, so I'm writing you this letter that you'll probably set aside. I've got a monster that is living in the corner of my mind. I put it in a cage, I tried to use restraint, but the walls began to bend and I was chipping at the paint. It might take a minute, detox, love potion. World moves on, but I'm stuck in slow motion.
I won't look back, put those days in the past. No, I won't hold on. Those days